From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What if I told you there's an alarm clock that can change the way you wake up every morning? The Alarm Clock Mirror Alarm Clock Temperature from GHJKLZNMRU is here to revolutionize your daily routine. This top-rated alarm clock is incredibly easy to set up, meeting your basic requirements with a simple and intuitive operation that's perfect for kids, seniors, and the elderly. The classic design ensures perfect accuracy, with a quiet and tick-free environment that allows for a peaceful sleep and work experience. The material is made of durable ABS, with a compact size of 14.5 by 6.5 by 3.2 centimeters, and the sound is carefully calibrated to be small yet loud enough to wake you up in the morning, making it suitable for those who struggle to get out of bed. This alarm clock is also energy-saving and user-friendly, providing a quiet and comfortable environment that promotes good sleep and productivity. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the standout features of this alarm clock is its ability to provide a gentle and gradual wake-up experience, allowing you to start your day feeling refreshed and energized. The alarm clock is also a great decoration for your bedroom, desk, home, or office, and it makes a wonderful gift for family and friends. Unlike other alarm clocks on the market, this one is designed with the user in mind, providing a seamless and hassle-free experience that will make you wonder how you ever managed without it. With its numerous benefits and features, the Alarm Clock Mirror Alarm Clock Temperature from GHJKLZNMRU is definitely worth considering, so why not give it a try and start waking up to a better tomorrow? As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.